Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley and I'm back again with another video. So today, oh my gosh! Right now it's 9:04. As you can see the time, it's 9:04 and I have to be at my appointment by 9:30 and I'm just now getting up. So my favorite soap, this the dial first to like get rid of all that that muck. Daily Silk, this bomb, bro. Yo, this is a lot. Like, I got my another one at 9:30, and I am literally. I still have to book my Uber. I'm about to get myself situated today, right now. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it. I put shea butter on my face, but I use Pond. I think it's gonna focus on you right now. Use Pond. So that's what I put. But at first, I put this on my face first. I put this on my face first. I just go like boop, 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 boop. Just like that. Don't even talk about it. I'm gonna let y'all know for real. Like right here, it might be the most driest part. Why? Why are you the driest part right there? Like, ugh. Get myself ready, put my clothes on, and I'll be back with y'all. So I'm back. I just got my clothes on. Like, it's just a regular sweater shirt from Walmart. So yeah, I just booked my Uber. I don't know if you can see it, but I just 4 minutes. So yeah, about to leave. Turn my thing off from my phone. I hope I run my batteries. I think I did. So I'm about to go out now. Uber's like 2 minutes away. But yeah, I'll let y'all know when I reach to my appointment. So now I'm at my nail appointment here. So it's again, I'm like,
Oh, we're doing the same black set that you sent me from like 2 weeks ago?
I'll just do white.
Just do white?
I'm excited. On the phone, my friends. That's my nail tech, guys. Period. The best in CT. Get ready. Okay. I'm gonna be back when my nails is started. I'm filming right now as we speak. Say hi to my camera. home now. I'm satisfied with my nails. Hey guys, so now I'm about to do my wig now. The bleaching after my wig. I'm about to be using Blue Magic and unboxing for this company. Y'all, this wig is the best. But I'm gonna show y'all what's in the box. So I got 2 eyelashes. This one is called Molly. This one is called Emma. It came with that. It came with eyelash glue. Baby, it came with them good hair caps and whatnot. Yes, most of all, 26-inch deep wave or 13x4. It's like it's giving off shine, baby. Take a little video. Lace or whatever this, bro, this is giving like, I know y'all see me trying to put the wig on, like I really want to put it on right now. First I'm about to bleach the knots of the wig. So it was my first time using quick glue. Like it's giving, bro. Like I'd rather use quick glue than use the other one, like for real. Oh, y'all see me putting that in there in the bowl. It's self-explanatory. Just making sure I get all of that out there because you gotta get your money's worth. So now I'm putting the heat developer. I'd rather use 40 than I use 30 because it makes it go by faster. And also, like I didn't have like no little brush thingy, so I used an old comb that I don't really use like that. Don't mind the comb looks mad dirty, but hey, it's gonna get the work done, girl. So I'm just about to use that green comb to mix around the product or whatnot. And yeah, just watch the rest of the video. Hope you like it. Done. I'm almost done with the wig or whatever. About to fix it and show y'all. So this is how it looks. But yeah, I'm about to. I was gonna take a nap, but like the way how I'm feeling right now, I need to set my time. So at 4:45, that's when I'll be washing this out. I'm about to go wash this out. I'll be right back with y'all because I can't do this right now. I got a bad headache. So now I'm about to put the wig on. This is how it looks on. Oh, this is about to wash it up. This is how it looks. So I'm about to install it now. It's like plucked. So I know I didn't put the part when I was gluing on my wig. It was too much going on and it was too sloppy. So I just turned the camera off and just turned it back on when I put my wig on. Cause baby, And then the next thing, I didn't record when I finished with styling my hair because it was a lot. Again, like my camera was dying. It was too much going on. So I just jumped right in, show y'all the finished product of my hair, and yeah. So guys, I just finished my hair. I couldn't do it on camera because, bruh, like, I was getting frustrated, but yo, hi. It's my hair. So hey guys, I just came home or whatnot. Like I'm really tired. Like today wasn't that bad. Like I was just tired a lot. My butt. And then I got these shoes, bro. These work shoes. The shoes were burning my butt, bro. Like, really burning my butt. So now, about to take a shower. It's for... Let me see if it's gonna focus. Really hard. It's 4:09 now. And usually I come home around like... Sometimes I get home at like 4 or 3:30 or whatnot. And like... I'm just really tired right now. Really gonna take a shower and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I'm on the phone with my friend, so yeah. It's a little ponytail or whatever. So now I'm about to take a shower. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley and I'm back again with another video. So today, oh my god, you have to record ahead of time. Yo, rolling.
Okay.
Yo. Anyways, that was my sister's. Very embarrassing. I just got my makeup done for the photo shoot or whatnot. It looks really nice, like, yeah. Unfortunately, I'm gonna try to record or get some footage. My makeup, I look really pretty, y'all. Like, it's not even a joke. I look really pretty. Like, look at me. The face is giving beat. Like, it's really giving laying down, editing. But yeah, this is how my face looks. Like, really pretty. I wish I could do my makeup like this for real. Like, beat to the gods. But next time y'all probably see me, I'm probably at the photo shoot. Getting, like, putting my clothes on and stuff like that. Getting ready. And, yeah. Get into the hair. Like, I did this myself, y'all. I wish I could say I did my makeup myself, too. But yeah, say hi to my sister.
Hey.
See you guys later when I'm at the photo shoot. Peace out. So, I'm going to my photo shoot. I'm excited. Taking it. Photo shoot, just waiting for my girls. I'm outside, getting my face, getting dressed. Yeah.
We all already went, y'all.
No, for real. So
The only person is Tay. Yes. Yeah, they in the corner. They joined and they on here. Okay, 5 people. Lost connection.
Stay tuned for the line.
There's my CEO. She right there.
Pretty her. Get into it. I'm so excited. She back.
That's my twin, y'all.
I was gonna say, I know. We the ones who can be related in the
No facts. I'm gonna. I forgot to close out the video, but I'm closing it out now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. And I hope you guys, I pray that I find the audience that I need to have. And thank you for your support. And stay tuned for the next video.